That's the baby.
In 6 months, you'll have a baby sister.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Before Halloween next year.
Yay!
So next Halloween, your baby or brother or sister can dress up with you.
Yay! And then I won't have to beg you for somebody to play with ever again. Like Diane or anybody.
Because you're going to have your own baby brother or sister, aren't you? Do you understand?
Yep.
So where's the baby right now?
Your tummy.
Who are you going to give that lamb to?
A baby.
Your baby?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yippee, yippee.
Will you take care of the baby until then? I mean the lamb?